Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aixa, and today we are going to be opening up a Pure Complexion Authority mystery box. So let's talk about this box. So I don't know if you remember when I opened my eBay box and I said that I think it's UPS. I'm definitely thinking it's USPS that is backed up, because this shipped out on April 30th. It even says it here, the date it shipped out, April 30th, and it's priority mail today, and it came in on yesterday. So definitely USPS is backed up. I think that's confirmed now. But we're just gonna open it up. This box cost $26. I don't recall how many items came in it. I don't recall what the overall value was. I feel like it was so long ago, I don't remember anything. So we're just gonna open it up, hope for some good stuff. Got my trusty scissors here, so we're just gonna open it up. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I do know that it came with some free samples, so that's gonna be inside as well, which is why I didn't open it. I never really like opening these boxes because I never know if it's a box inside of a box or if it's just items scattered around. It's always confusing to me. So we got the trash here, we got the receipt here. So okay, so it was a bag inside of it. These are the 3 samples. It came with a serum, a correcting primer, and a Get a Grip Endurance eyeshadow primer. So that's cute. And this is the bag. This is the Deluxe mystery bag. Let's just leave this box on the side for the basura. So let's put that over here. Let's get the scissors and open it up. So I'm not sure if there is a card in here or not. So if not, we're just gonna have to look up the prices the old-fashioned way. Okay, so there is not a card, but there is a bunch of goodies in here. Can you guys see that? Oh my goodness, I'm kind of excited. So it looks like there is 2, 4, 6, 7 items in here for $26. Stop playing with me. Okay, let's see what's the first thing in here. So the first thing we have is the Skin Perfecting Foundation Brush for face and body. Just, you know, girl loves her brushes. So let's open it up. Breaking boxes out here. Oh. So the brush actually feels pretty nice. I actually have one of these brushes. I don't use it as much as I would like to use it, but mine came with like a little cover to protect it from like dirt and stuff. But I do find these brushes really difficult to clean because they're so compact together. But I do like it. It's really nice. It feels really nice on the skin. So okay. Next one here. Oh my goodness, is the Skin Perfecting Concealer Brush. It's the little baby one for the concealer. Let's open it up. Oh, ow. Okay, let's open the big. No? Yes. Throw that to the side. Oh my goodness. It's perfect. This is just perfect. It fits perfectly under my eyes. I am going to use this forever. It is beautiful. So next thing we have is On Point Lip Liner Crayon. So let's roll up the sleeve a little bit, just so I don't get it all over my sweaters. This looks like a very pretty color. I don't know if you can see the color that is shown on the box. On Point lip liner. So I don't really use many lip liners. So if I do, I like really neutral ones. I love the packaging for this. I think it's so freaking adorable. So let's. Oh my goodness. Okay, what's going on here? Sharpen. What? What? Oh, so it's a twist. Okay, but and does it twist up, or how does this work? I'm so confused. Is this all that they give me? Is that all the product that comes with it? I'm confused. Okay, let's just swatch it. I'll play with it later, figure out how it goes. Oh my goodness. Look how creamy. What, you can't see how creamy it was that it came on, but look how nice the color is. It was so creamy. I'm going to have to play with this because I freaking love the color and I'm gonna love to use it. So let me twist up. No, it doesn't look like it sharpened anything. Or does it? Oh, I think it literally is a sharpener in there and it sharpens the... I'm just gonna play with it. We're gonna find out eventually. But I think this is so cute. Next thing we have is another brush. This is the liquid chisel brush. I don't know what that means. A large flat-headed brush with very soft bristles or liquid complexion products. So basically, that says foundation brush to me. Let's get this. Oh my goodness, these things are in there. Oh yeah, definitely a foundation. It's got kind of squished in the packaging, so it's like a little squished down. I don't know if you can see. But it's definitely, I don't know. Unless it's supposed to, because when I put it on, it's very like flimsy, and I wouldn't really use that flimsy kind of for my foundation. I don't know. Maybe a good, yeah, I don't know. We'll see, but definitely a foundation. Maybe. If anything, cream contour. I think that would be good for cream contour because it's not too stiff, but it gives a nice flimsy, I don't know. Well, we're gonna have to play with it to find out. So the next thing we got is another brush. Wow, I'm getting a lot of brushes. Like, I love brushes, but it says mystery bag. So I would assume there's more makeup than brushes, but it's okay. So next we have the Brow Sculpt and Groom brush. So it has, obviously it's a brow brush. So we have the angled side over here. And then we have the spoolie. I'm like, what is this thing called? It's a spoolie. Let's just spoolie the hell. You know? So that's always good. Love me a little spoolie. And then we still got some items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. So we still have 2 more to go. So the next thing we have is the Precision Crease brush. This is so cute. It's like a little tapered brush. So obviously it's for the crease. It's pretty dense. So this is more for like precision, like it says, obviously. And then the last thing we have in here is the Festivals palette. And I actually own this palette. Let me go grab the palette and I'm gonna do some swatches for you. Okay, so I grabbed my palette. I rolled up my sleeve. This one's the one that they gave me. Probably just gonna put it to the side and give it away to someone. So let's open it up. This is what the palette looks like. It is so beautiful, so beautiful. So let's just do some swatches. So the first shade we have is called Free Spirit, Psychedelic, Good Vibes, Peace, Epic, Gypsy, Wild Child, 24 Karat Magic, All Night, Hidden Desert, Sunset, and Fireworks. That's everything that I got in this box. I think that is an amazing value. So you get a palette. Well, this is mine. You get a palette. You get a lip liner, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 brushes for $26. And not only that, you also get like your little free samples. I do know that they always give out free samples when you order something from them. So I mean, that's good. Anything you buy from them, you get a little free sample. You can test some stuff out. I really don't like little foil samples because I feel like you can't reuse it if you don't use all of it, you know? But it's okay. It's still a free sample. And I think this is a great value. I love brushes. Hello. Lip liners I don't really use that much, but it's a really pretty color. Once I figure out how to work this sharpen thing that they have going on, how to, you know, make it big, whatever, I'm definitely going to use it as like not just a lip liner, but like actual lipstick. And then a palette. Even though I already have it, it's really nice to get a palette in there. So I think that it was a really good value for what's in the box. So if you want to purchase the Deluxe mystery bag, I think that's what it was called, I'm going to leave a link down below in the description box if you would like to purchase it. I do know it might take a while to get there because of the whole USPS being backed up, I'm assuming. That's my opinion in all of this. I think they're backed up. But it is a good box. So if you want, well, a good bag. So if you want it, go get it. Because I approve of this purchase. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and leave a little comment down below and let me know what you would like to see me do next. If there's any other mystery bags or boxes or anything that you would like me to open, if there's any subscription boxes you want me to subscribe to, if there's anything that you would like to see me do, or just anything, let me know down below. Did I say description? In the comment section? I don't know anymore, but do that. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell buttons down below so that you be notified every time that I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Let me see you better group when the beat drops.